How much YouTube paid me for this short video with over 100,000 views, guys? You're going to be surprised. I am shocked. Now, I'm going to show you everything about this video, how much it's made, whether it's worth it or not. Then I'm going to compare it with this long video, 8 minutes plus video, has gotten less than 90,000 views. So you see how much a video, a short video with 100,000 plus views has made versus how much a long video with less than 90,000 views has made. When I started YouTube, I used to think that at the moment your videos get 10,000 views, 100,000 views, you've made it in life. But this video shocked me. I'm going to show you the exact amount of money. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you powerful secrets. How this particular short video has really helped me to grow this YouTube channel to over 70,000 subscribers and counting. Guys, you don't want to miss this part. If you've been wondering how to get views and subscribers, how to take advantage of short videos to blow up your YouTube channel, I'm going to drop it in this video. So let's get into it. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka. On this particular channel, I help you with all the tips, strategies, hacks, secrets to get more views, more subscribers, and watch hour. Grow your channel and get monetized. So if this is the kind of thing you love, go on and smack that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming videos. Let's just get into it. So we're going to start with the details of this video. I'm going to take you to the back end of this video. Let's look at the statistics. Then I'll take you to the back end of this particular one so we can compare and know if actually short video is worth it. So if you look at this video has gotten 102,000 views in the past 6 months it was uploaded, with over 1,000 comments. And the important one, subscribers, the video has gotten over 1,100 subscribers for me with over 1,200 shares. That means people have shared this video 1,200 times. That's amazing. Now let's get into the major part. So here's something interesting about this video. It gets between 800 to 1,000 views every 48 hours. So it's actively driving traffic to my YouTube channel, which I am grateful for. Now about the revenue. Take a guess. How much do you think this video paid me? $20? $100? You're wrong. If you think this video paid me any of these amounts, it's not true. Guys, this video has generated $9. I mean $9. Look at this. $9.86, not even up to $10. 100,000 views, earning less than $10. But that's not the end of the story, because this video has really been of great help to me, which is why I keep advising small channels to use short videos. I'm going to show you that in a moment. But before that, let me show you how much this long video with less than 90,000 views has made for me. So this here is the long video. As you can see, it got 89,300 views and it's gotten over 3,200 subscribers for me. Now the revenue. The video has earned $469.24. Guess what? The traffic. It's not getting me any traffic. In the last 48 hours, I've only gotten one view on this video, which means it's not in any way helping my channel to grow. So this is the short video, 100,000 plus views. This is the earning. And this is the long video, less than 90,000 views. This is the earning. But that's not the end of the story. This short video continues to bring traffic, introduce people to my YouTube channel, which is why if you are a small channel, you are looking to grow and monetize, you should not look at the revenue at the moment. You need traffic. Now, the reason why this video made less than $10 is because of where the viewers are coming from. If you look at the top geographies, that is the geographic location of people watching this video, you find that I have over 32% viewers coming from Nigeria, as against 17% coming from the US, then India 6%, United Kingdom 4%. So if you want your short videos to make you more money, you should target people from the first world country. As you already know, where your viewers are coming from matters a lot when it comes to how much you earn from the video. But as a small channel, I think what you need at the moment is traffic. So keep pushing short videos. Short videos are so easy to make. And I even made this video here showing you how you can actually create short videos using compilation of images you have on your phone, which means you can actually create 10 videos in one day just using this strategy. If you've not watched this video, you need to go and watch it. Now, if you push out a lot of short videos that are doing well, people are going to get to know your channel. Now, as a smart person, you don't just upload short videos, you link the short video to long video. So if you look at this short video, you can see that this short video is promoting a long video. You can see it at the end of this video, there's this recommendation to watch long videos. If you check this long video, you find out that it's getting more views. And the reason why this long video is getting more views is because of the massive traffic on the short video. So this video didn't just make $10 for me or something less than $10. It has made more because the long video is promoting. This long video is promoting here. You can see how much it has generated. So when you are considering how much a short video made, always consider the video you linked to it that is driving traffic to, because without that short video, the long video won't have gotten that much traffic and revenue it generated. So on the surface level, short video might make you $10, $20, but trust me, it makes more than you think. So the first reason why this video didn't make a lot of money is because of the geographic location of people that watch the video. The second reason why the video didn't make money is the length of the video. It's just 55 seconds. So if the video had been up more than this, it would have probably made more money than how much it made for me. The third reason is the topic being discussed. There are certain topics you talk about in a short video, you get a lot of money. Something like tech. When your short video is about tech, even if it's just 20 seconds, 15 seconds, you're going to make a lot of money because of the kind of audience it attracts. Now, if you're wondering how short videos make money or how YouTube place adverts on short videos, let me quickly show you this. Look at this. So short videos are too short that YouTube can put advert right inside. So what YouTube does is to put advert in between short videos. So if it's like this now, you can see that after some normal videos, this one here is an advert. Then you have another normal set of normal videos, you see an advert, another set of normal videos, you see an advert. That's basically how YouTube plays advert on short videos. And that's how they are making money. So with how much this short video has made versus how much the long video has made, you can see that they are worlds apart. Yet, if you ask me, is short video worth it? My answer is yes. First, it's so easy to make and it can actually go viral faster than anything you can think of. So if you're a small channel, you're wondering whether to create short videos or not, my answer is yes, go on and create it because it's going to help you get more views and subscribers. As a small channel, what you need is visibility. And that's exactly what short video does for you. Now, let me know in the comment section, is this worth it? A video with 102,000 views earning less than $10. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. And I would also like to know, have you been creating shorts? I hope you got value from this. If you're still struggling with getting views and subscribers, connect with other creators in the comment section. The best way to do it is to drop engaging comments. That kind of comment that when someone reads it, they want to know more about you. So they can click on your profile picture and head over to your YouTube channel. Do that the right way and you'll get more views and subscribers. See you in my next video.